In today's world, time is the new currency, and productivity, it's the new wealth. Those who can get more done in less time aren't just working faster, they're redefining what's possible. We're living in a new era where artificial intelligence isn't science fiction anymore. It's here, right now, quietly reshaping how we think, create, and build wealth. A single person armed with the right AI tools can now do what once required an entire team. Emails, videos, research, even full business strategies, automated in seconds. The question isn't, will AI take your job? It's, will you use AI to take control of your future? This is the productivity revolution. And today, we'll explore the AI tools that can 10x your productivity right now. In just a few years, AI has transformed how people work across every field. What once took hours of research, planning, and manual effort now takes minutes or even seconds. Writers are using ChatGPT to plan, outline, and write faster than ever. Designers use AI to generate visuals instantly. Entrepreneurs run entire operations with automated systems, without hiring a single employee. This is not the future of work. This is the present. And the people who master these tools will dominate the next decade. Let's explore the tools making that possible. First up, writing and ideation. ChatGPT is your ultimate thinking partner. From business plans to email responses, scripts, and brainstorming, it helps you think faster, clearer, and smarter. Millions are already using it to cut their work time in half. For longer, more structured writing, there's Claude.ai. It handles detailed analysis, summaries, and planning without losing context, perfect for research and reports. And for marketers and entrepreneurs, Jasper and Copy.ai are game changers. They write ad copy, social posts, and product descriptions that convert instantly. Next, let's talk about organization and task management. Notion AI is the all-in-one digital brain. Plan your day, summarize notes, and even auto-generate task lists with smart insights. It's like having a personal assistant inside your workspace. Motion takes it a step further and schedules your day for you. Simply list your tasks, and it automatically builds a calendar optimized for focus. For managing complex projects, ClickUp AI automates updates and writes task summaries, bringing clarity and speed to your team or solo workflow. Now for creativity and design. Canva Magic Studio turns ideas into stunning visuals. You can type a prompt, and it instantly designs graphics, presentations, or even short videos ready for social media. In video editing, Runway ML is a revolution. It removes backgrounds, generates scenes, and edits visuals automatically, making Hollywood-level tools accessible to everyone. And for faceless creators, Descript is perfect. It lets you edit videos simply by editing text. No timeline, no stress. Let's move on to voice and automation. 11 Labs creates ultra-realistic AI voices. You can narrate your videos, podcasts, or courses without recording a single word. Then there's Zapier AI, which connects your favorite apps and automates workflows. Imagine new YouTube videos automatically being posted across all platforms while you sleep. And for teams, Tascade AI is a collaborative workspace that helps you brainstorm, organize, and execute, all powered by AI. Finally, business and finance. Gamma app builds beautiful presentations in seconds. Just type your idea, and it creates the full slide deck. Similarly, Tome app turns prompts into visually rich reports and business plans, ideal for startups and professionals pitching big ideas. And for research, Perplexity.ai is the new engine. It's faster and smarter than Google, giving you real, sourced answers instantly. Each of these tools saves you time, but together, they create something even more powerful. The real productivity boost doesn't come from a single tool. It comes from connecting them into one seamless system. Here's how top performers do it. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm content ideas. Feed those ideas into Notion AI to organize them. Use Runway ML or Descript to create your video. Design thumbnails and visuals with Canva Magic Studio. Then, automate posting and tracking with Zapier AI. Every step is faster, smarter, and more efficient. This is how solopreneurs now operate like full-scale companies. When you combine tools, you multiply results. That's the true meaning of 10x productivity. But tools alone don't make you productive. Systems do. Mindset does. You can't automate discipline. You can only enhance it. To truly 10x your productivity, Create a routine where AI works for you. Start your mornings with AI planning your day. Delegate repetitive tasks to automation. Use AI to focus your creativity on what truly matters. And remember, the goal isn't to work harder. It's to work smarter so you can live better. AI isn't just helping us do more. It's changing what we can do. Soon, every professional will have their own AI co-pilot, managing schedules, writing code, analyzing markets, and even making decisions. We're entering a world where one person, empowered by AI, can build an empire. Autonomous work agents, personalized assistants, and adaptive learning systems will reshape how we work and earn. Those who embrace this now will own the future. So here's your challenge. Don't just watch the AI revolution happen. Join it. Pick one tool from this video. Try it today, because the faster you adapt, the faster you grow. The future belongs to those who act now. This is Nelson and Kay, helping you work smarter, earn faster, and live better. Thanks for watching, and if you found this valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.